Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So we are populating the each city item, right? Let's go to the city item.jsx file and city item.module.css also. So this is the city item. We are looping over the cities list. If you try to see here cities list. So we are looping over this each one. Now let's go at the React components and we will see whether we are getting the data or not as a props. So here if you try to see, right, we are not getting it. Let's see here. Yeah, we got this one components, and here this is a city item. Okay, and if you click on this one, and here if I click on this one, so we are able to get the city as a props, country, date, emoji flag, latitude, longitude, and the name. We are able to get it. So we will try to show one by one. Okay, so we will try to show the name and also the country name. Okay, we'll show it like this one by one. Now in order to show this one, what we need to do, let's go to the city item, and here we got the city. Okay, so here we got the city and we are getting the issue, right? That is nothing but the prop type validation. So import prop types from prop types. So that is nothing but an ESLint error. So that's there is no need to bother about that one, but we will write it's better. So we are writing the code, right? So people who are watching this one, so they will be able to understand very easily. Prop types is equal to city, and this one is nothing but prop types dot object, right? Object dot is required. That's it, done. So now we got this one. So this way we are getting an error because it is never used. So we will try to implement it here. The first one, which whatever we have thought is, so we need to show the name. That is nothing but city dot name. So we are showing the name here. We are able to show one by one name. And the another one which we need to show is the emoji underscore flag. We'll try to show emoji. So here city dot emoji underscore flag. Let's see here. Yeah, US. And this is our code. So we need to show it side by side. So for this one, what I will do, so let's import the cities module. Import styles from city item dot module dot css, and now here this is the class name. Class name is equal to styles dot city. Now here let's go into the module dot css. For each city it should be display flex. Okay, so it will come side by side, hopefully. I'm thinking dot city, and here is also city item is also dot city, and we are not getting side by side. Why? Styles from city item dot module dot css, spelling mistake or what? Nothing is there. Let's go to the inspect element and we will see it. No, this class name we are not getting. Why? City item dot module dot css. Let's see, refresh this page again. Hopefully we should get. So what could be the issue here? Okay, so it should be capital C. So now we got the city. Now we are able to show it one by one, and here so in the cities list we are having this one, right? So we will be having the cities list dot module dot css also. Cities list dot module dot css. Let's create a file. Cities list dot module dot css, and here city list I will create it, and we will create something around width is equal to 200 pixel and margin of auto. So we'll write it like this, and let's go into here, and I will make this one. Yeah, import cities list, import styles from cities list dot module dot css. Okay, now these styles we will implement it here. Class name is equal to styles dot city list. Hopefully, yeah, so we are able to get it like this. Now we need to add in the city list is there, right? So we can have a background color of gray. We'll implement it as a gray, and we'll implement the margin of 5 pixel top and 0 pixel. What has happened? So top and bottom I implemented. Oh, we are implementing for the city list. It should not be for the city list. City item. For each city item it should be. So now here we are having, and another one what we need to do is, so justify content center also we will do it. Justify content center. So now these are all coming in the center, right? It should be justify content center, not justify content center, align item center. We will do align items center. So both will be in the center. So now here what I want to have a gap between these two. So for this one what we can do, in our city item we'll be having greater than div, right? So I can use something like, we'll do this one automatically, yeah. So each city greater than div we will be having, what I can say is, we can have something like padding 5 pixel. Okay, so each one will have a 5 pixel. So now this is the thing. And another one what I can say is, in our city item I want to have a close symbol, so that is the reason. So here I can have one div, and here I can have another div. Okay, I can have another div. So this should be something like, what I can say is what I can say is, we can have a button, okay, ampersand times, so we can show it a closing button, so that I think a delete button, something like that. And here also you can have class name is equal to, we will have d-flex. So this one is a common thing which we will be using all the time. So we will write it in our index.css, common css which we will be using. You will write it here, d-flex. So display flex will do it. Okay, yeah, fine. Now if you want you can also use align items center. So these all things we'll be using most often. We will write these all the css at a time. So here like this we have used it. So now I can use it in our city item.jsx file. What I can do is, I can use for this one also align items center, right? So now here, so we are having, so this is our button, and this styles.city, what I can do is, for this one what I can do is, so here we are having it, right? Now here cities, align items and everything is there. Padding we have used it, and I want to make it corner, justify content space between, so we can use the space between, so that this one will come down. And this is the button we are having, and here is the delete button, so which we will be using in a city item.jsx. So class name is equal to styles dot delete button. Okay, so this is the button which we will be writing the css. And here in our city item.module.css, so delete button, background color none, okay, and border none, background color is transparent. We'll try to make it, yeah. And we have a like this, and here cursor pointer will do it, so that we can able to see a hand symbol. So this is the thing which we are trying to implement. If you want you can also implement as a color. We'll see how it will be. White it is fine, and this one is also color white. I will implement it, yeah. So these are the cities list. Now we are able to see the city list. Now in the countries list we need to implement the countries. So here we are able to see the cities list. Whatever the cities we are getting it from the API, we are highlighting it here. So just a simple thing I am trying to write it. So now in the next video what we will do is, we will try to implement, we will try to show the countries list also, what we are getting it from the cities. So for example US, Great Britain, Japan and Australia is there, right? So these are the country list, and we need to show it here. In the next video we will try to do it. So this one entire thing I will commit this everything in a video -128, okay, and I will commit this entire code. So here city items, let's commit this entire code. So whoever want to refer this code or anything, the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below. You can have a take a look at that one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.